dito po tayo. A round of applause for contestant number 3.
Siyempre, alam niyo na, I'm Sarah G. From Tayban.
Yeah, age ni Sarah G is
12.
12.
Grabe, ha?
Okay, then our last but definitely not the least, a round of applause for contestant number 4.
Yay!
Yeah, let's go.
Hello po, I'm Rian Ramos po. Thanks from Bulacan.
Wow! Rian Ramos! Okay, so there you have it. That is the sex bump team. The team sex bump. Boys. Next is, this is number 2.
Hi, I'm Paolo Avellino, 18. From Marikina.
Yes, Paolo Avellino. Next is, this is number 3. Let's go.
Gino Padilla,
Age, location.
Marikina, 30.
30. Next is, and our last but definitely not the least, round of applause for contestant number 4. Let's go.
Hi, ako nga pala si Daniel Padilla, 22 years old. Nagpinaka sa kasabihan, pag may away sa bahay, nakatingin ang kapitbahay.
Yeah! Grabe! May kasabihan pa, di ba? Ayan, pag may away sa bahay, nakatingin ang kapitbahay. Yung ganda ng kasabihan ni Sir, di ba? Okay, then now, listen, and binarm up ko lang kayo ng konti, no? Ito na, mag-start yung game natin. Okay, as I was saying, guys, this is an educational game. Okay? So listen, guys, for our next round, each one of you, kailangan nyo lang mag-mention ng isang animal at kailangan tama yung sounds nito. Okay, like for example, ako na to, sample ko na to, dog! Okay, what is the sound of a dog, kids? Okay, dahil nasa Vikings tayo, arf, arf, arf. Okay, kung nasa tent lang tayo sa labas, aw, aw, aw lang yan. Okay, so since we are here in Vikings, ayan, the sound of a dog is? Arf, arf. Very good, arf, arf, arf. Okay, so 3 times lang yung sound gagawin. Girls, this time gusto nyo bang paunahin yung boys or mauna pa rin kayo? Okay, here's the catch. Listen, pag nauna yung boys, na-mention na, kasi hindi nyo na pwedeng i-mention. Mabilis magbago ng isang mabilis magbago ng ganun talaga sila. Kaya nga boys at the left at saka girls at the right, dahil the girls are always okay, so let's start with you again. This is the animals and their sounds. Okay, let's start with you, animals. Name of animal. What kind of animal?
Cat.
Cat. What is the sound of a cat? 3 times?
Meow, meow, meow.
Ay, wow. Ang hindi ng cat. Okay, and then next is a
Bird.
Bird.
3.
Ano yung bird?
3.
Eh, mamadali yung bird. Okay, and then next is... Ayan, sabi niya, naunahan ako sa birdie! Okay, marami magtanungan kayo. Ang daming hayop sa paligid. Okay. Okay, what is it? Kinabahan ako sa kaw. Akala ko, animal ikaw. Okay, cow. The sound of a cow, 3 times, go!
Moo, moo, moo.
Wow! Galing-galing mo na. Okay, then next is?
Goat.
Ayan, kayo na pa sa ganun ka sabi niya. Sana huwag mo sabi yung goat. Sana huwag maling goat. Okay, goat. What is the sound of a goat? 3 times.
May.
Parang pinapatulog mo. Boys, narinig niyo yun? Hindi yan natin pwedeng ulitin, pero the good news is napakarami na mga animal sa paligid. At alam ko, ready yung mga boys natin palagi. Okay? So, again, animals and their sound. Let's start with you.
Snake.
Snake, 3 times. Ayan, kita, pumansik sir, punas natin. Okay, and then next is?
Office-mate ko na lang.
Wag yun. Okay, lion, the sound of a lion 3 times. Kinis na ka. Office-mate mo na. Okay, and then next is a animals and their sound 3 times, sir. Ayan, so meron na tayong ano ha. Madami ba? Frog, sound of a frog 3 times. Let's go.
Robert.
Narinig ako kokak ha. Huwag tayo kokak. Nasa Vikings tayo, guys. So, ang sound ay Robert. Okay, then the next one is fish. Fish. The sound of a fish.
Ay, siya na.
Wala ka po masyadong questioning. Okay, rules na tayo, guys, ha? Baitan na, ha? Parang ano. Okay, and then now, we were going to start the game. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Okay, here is it. Since we are celebrating the first birthday of JD, so all you have to do, guys, is just to sing a birthday song to the tune of your chosen animal.
Okay.
Okay? So, napakadali na, di ba? Okay. So, parang yung sa akin kanina, okay? Ano yung animal sound ko kanina? Dog. What is the sound of a dog? And that's ow. It's arf. Always remember, we are here in Vikings. Okay, so listen. Ayan, I'm going to sing a birthday song to the tune of a dog. Just like this. Arf.
Ang hirap.
Okay, so ganun lang siya, guys. So you have to sing a birthday song to the tune of your chosen animals. Okay? So don't worry, guys. We are doing this just for fun and just for the sake of our birthday boy, JD. Okay? So, ang napili mong animal ay cat. Buti na lang, napaka-basic lang ang sa kanya. Okay, cat. Listen, kids. This is a birthday song to the tune of a cat. Ready? 1, 2, 3, sing.